Welcome to the Yoshimura's kitchen!
We're going to make
An easy but very healthy breakfast!
yes.
Let's do this, Yorin. Yes!
I don't like that. We have oatmeal, fresh milk, and strawberry, and banana.
First, we boil 6 cups of water. Into the water, we put half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We just have to wait the water to boil, then we can put the oatmeal. The water is now boiling, so we can put in the oatmeal. Then we'll mix.
Can I mix it?
Oh, you wanna try? Okay. Just be careful. Why don't you come here?
This is terrible.
Okay. Slowly, okay, Yan?
It's fun making.
You have to stir it occasionally so it will be evenly cooked and the bottom will not stick to the pot.
While Kuya is cooking, I'll peel the 2 bananas and cut it. Okay.
Don't make it too big.
Okay, I'm finished.
Then you remove the leaves of the strawberry.
Okay. 8,
9,
10. 10. This is 10.
why don't you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There. The water is gone now, so I'll just lower the fire and cook it well.
Oh. This is already finished. This is already finished. La
Don't-
la bye baby.
What if it falls down?
No? You wanna? Okay, I just gonna wash it again. Can I?
It'll just
No?
Okay.
Okay.
The oatmeal is now cooked, so we'll just wait until it will cool down.
Let's peel it.
You mean the egg?
Oh, I'm being fast.
If this was a race, I think I am the winner.
No, I am the winner.
The reason why we let the oatmeal cool down is because we're going to blend it. Sorry, we forgot to mention that we're going to use a blender. First, we pour the milk and put in the strawberry and bananas. You can use other fruits if you want, like blueberries or avocado. Now we put in our oatmeal.
Yummy. Come guys.
Breakfast is ready. Let's eat. But before that, let's pray. Okay, you're in. The name of the Father. Oatmeal porridge.
It's so yummy. Maybe I will eat that completely.
I'll have more later. Was it too sour?
Wait, can you get this yummy?
You're just joking, so I was like,
No. Yummy, guys. It's still yummy. It's oatmeal.
it's not oat milk, it's oatmeal.
I said.
You said oat milk.
No, I said oat milk. oatmeal. Oatmeal.
Mommy, can I have more porridge?
That's all for today, guys.
Let's eat healthy foods. It's good for us.
Bye.